Well, right now I'm with my father, Dr. Adolfo Acorda. He's a retired animal doctor from the Philippines, and he's been suffering from spinal stenosis just like me. We both have the same condition, and we both have the same degenerative disease. So it's debilitating, it's painful, and it's chronic. And Dad, tell us about yourself.
Well, I had this, I was struck by a car in Florida when I was there. And I have this fourth and fifth lumbar vertebrae that was, and it's having nerve pain. And I have a herniated hernia.
Herniated hernia, okay.
So I've been suffering of these cysts for almost 15 years now.
15 years, okay.
And doing so, I cannot already make my full movement, and have to use walker in order to do my little activities as I'm now retired. I was convinced to use this product when I saw one, when I was looking on my YouTube and found that there were many testimonies regarding the use of this product. One that I was convinced was a child which has struck with sick with meningitis.
In the Philippines.
And then suddenly after several weeks he was able to recover, and also saw a testimony or heard a testimony from a man that had a stroke. So after several months, took him about 6 months, and now he's now running like a normal, age.
The guy from Thailand, yeah.
So I started using this, and I was convinced because the first few days I already felt some improvements. I have started trying not to use anymore my walker, and just use my cane.
Just to walk.
Walk. But I'm trying to get rid of this. I can sleep very well now, because before I usually have about 2 or 3 hours sleep because I've been woke up by this pain in my back. The other thing also I found out is I had prostate cancer. I mean, I started using this product or this machine device. I feel that before I used to go to the washroom at least 3 or 4 times
because of incontinence
a week.
Well, yeah.
I mean a day.
That night.
At night, I say. But now I only go there once.
Wow.
And it really takes care of my problem of sleeplessness. So I'm very happy using this product.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a good improvement, Dad. And then when it comes to your pain, because you also have spinal stenosis just like me, grading it from 1 to 10, before you were doing the therapy, how high was your pain?
Yeah, before I used to have about more than 10.
More than 10. That's how painful it is.
Yeah, but now I've just been using the machine for almost
close to about
1 month.
1 month now. Huh?
But now I can feel that it's reduced to about 4.
Wow.
So it's really improvement, and I'm hoping that using this continuously will help me go on with my normal life, exercise, walking.
What about neuropathy, Dad? Because I have one, but I found out that it's improving my body when it comes to neuropathic pain. Tell us about your neuropathic pain right now. Do you still feel that?
I still feel, but again, if you grade this before from 10, it's now about 3 or 4.
Wow, so it's reduced, so you just have to continue doing the therapy.
I have to.
Okay, continually.
Before I cannot, because of neuropathic, my legs have been, the muscles been tight. I cannot feel the pins or...
The pins and needles, okay.
But now, I can already feel them, because I think it's the function of the nerve had come back.
Yeah, so you were feeling a little bit of numbness. You don't feel anything, and then you started. Yeah, before, and then you started to feel a little bit of a pins and needles.
Yeah.
and then up to the point that you're starting to feel your foot and your leg, and that's the reason why you were using it, and you find it that it was very, very weak, because it affected our spinal cord, and that spinal cord gives signals to our nerve so that we could feel something, right? But now, how would you grade yourself now after doing the therapy? Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm satisfied with the product, because it doesn't. I have many health issues, Even I used to have this coughing every morning.
Asthma.
Asthma. But now I can sleep very well. My asthma before used to wake me up almost every day, the whole night. I cannot sleep. But now I have a good sleep. In fact, I can sleep up to 9 o'clock in the morning.
Wow! For how many hours? Would that be more than 8?
More than 8. Before I can sleep only about 2 or 3 hours. Then wake up 2 or 3.
So how do you do and blow yourself when you have triggers of coughing and asthma and itchiness in your throat? Could you show us how you do the product? You just blow it to
I blow it to my face, to my neck, and then about 20 to 30 more minutes in my back.
In the back.
Focusing on the lung areas.
Focusing on the lung. So it's going to be on your neck, and then on your chest.
And then about in the back, about 30 to 40 minutes.
And so now you're beginning to feel better.
I feel better, I feel better, and
that's good.
I can sleep now. Because before my problem was really sleepless nights because of asthma. Because of my prostate gland, I have to go to the washroom every now and then.
And then the pain. The pain at the back.
The pain at the back. So it's really, I can say myself that I'm going back to normal already.
And how old are you, Dad?
I'm already 80 more. I was 83 last September.
83 last year. Now you're going for 84.
84, yeah.
And when you look at the quality of life that you do have now, how would you compare that before the therapy and now after the therapy?
Well,
what's the quality of life?
The quality of life is, I really feel, as if I'm going back to normal and going to be young again.
For sure, Mom was gonna like that. That's good. Well, Dad, right now, my last questions for you is, for those who are watching us right now, what are you going to tell them about the product that you're using?
Well, as I said, I have experience. I have many health issues, and I would say that I'm convinced of the product. But you to see for yourself, you try the product.
Try the product.
Because it's only by your testimony that you will see the effect of the product, and then you come to like it. Because before I said, maybe this is just one of those
placebo effect and marketing,
So what I did was, I will try the product, I said. So when I found out, then I can convince now, because I'm a living testimony that the product is really good.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna go tell your friends right now who are watching you? Because some of your friends are gonna see this. What would you suggest your friends who are watching you right now?
Yeah, I would suggest that they will try it. Try it, because it's for you. Because as I said, I have tried it before. I wasn't convinced. So when I tried the product, I was convinced. Now I am a living testimony that I can say for myself and to the whole people that met that the product is good.
Thank you.
And I have no doubt about it.
Thank you so much, Dad, for your time. I really do appreciate you using the product, and you've seen a good thing and the goodness of doing the therapy, and I could see it from your countenance that you're beginning to smile. Unlike before, you always complain, frowning. But it's good that we only have a few more years, but to have a quality of life in the remainder of our years in the earth is a plus for us. Thanks a lot, Dad. Love you, Dad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.